Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. Today we are going to do another Let's Niche Down series. But before we get into the video, make sure you guys who are new here and anyone who's been watching for a while, I don't know what's stopping you, but make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video. As you guys know, in my Let's Niche Down series, I normally just use Amazon to do the research so I can show you that it is possible. And I really love researching on Amazon. Today, our keyword is doctor. Okay, I don't know where that came from, but that falls in the field of like job and career. These are evergreen niches. Anything that has to do with a job or a career that someone is in, it can sell year round. Maybe in another video, I'll talk about evergreen niches versus trending niches. But today, like I said, our keyword is doctor. The first thing I'm gonna do is just go ahead and type in the word doctor. As I always tell you guys about some of the extensions that I'm using, that's why you see so many things here. Some of the things we see are like Dr. Gifts, Dr. Brown baby bottles, Dr. Kits. We're looking for things like that we can sell on merch by Amazon. That would be like tote bags or pop sockets. But we see doctor and mom gifts. That's two keywords together. So I'm interested to see what that's about. We see Doctor Hair stuff, Doctor Who merchandise. I want to really explore this doctor and mom gift. But another thing that I see is doctor and nurse. But because a mom can be a doctor and we know that moms are everywhere, we just celebrated Mother's Day. Let's look into this doctor and mom gift thing and see what we see. We just see a lot of we see mugs, we see t-shirts already. We know that is possible. From that one keyword and able to use these different extensions, I was able to right away see what people are already typing in. And we see that doctor and mom gift has over 8,000 search results. Now let's do doctor and mom shirt. Probably has a lot. 2,000. Not bad at all. 2,000 search results. I feel like you can go ahead and create some shirts in this niche and do well. That's doctor and mom, lots of t-shirts. Now let's take it a step farther and let's do doctor and grandma, because there are some grandmas out here who are doctors. Let's see doctor and grandma. Okay, 1,000 search results. My favorite doctor also calls me grandma. Look at that. My favorite doctor calls me grandma. 1,000 search results for doctor and grandma. We went from mom, we went to grandma, and we also know that sometimes people call their grandmas Nana. Let's see. 170. So as we niche down the word, we went from mom to grandma to Nana. And with Nana, we only have 170 search results. Again, it's sometimes not about what the title, it's not about who you are, it's about the title that people address. There's a lot of people who call their grandmas Nana. That's something good. Let's try mommy. Doctor and mommy shirt, because also mom and mommy are two different words. Again, if we want to niche down from doctor and mom, we just change the word mom to mommy and we have 699 search results using the keyword mommy and doctor. And then you can just continue to go and do dad and do grandpa, do poppy, do papa. It's just so many different ways that you can go from this. But from that one keyword doctor, we were able to find something that we can look up and niche down and get a lot of different search results in a lot of different categories that we can upload in. That's evergreen, because we know people are always going to be doctors. If I was a doctor right now, I'm someone's mom. Eventually my kids may have kids. I'll be a doctor and a grandma. It just goes on. I hope this was good for you guys just to see me in action with the research. And I hope this video was helpful for you. Make sure you check out all of the other videos in the Let's Niche Down series. Let me know if you like evergreen or trending search results. Let me know if this is helpful again. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.